Welcome to Tech Support Tuesday, where I show you some quick tech tips every Tuesday. And today I want to go ahead and show you how to change a default icon on an item, namely for, say, for example, if you have like a reboot script right on the desktop that you don't want somebody to accidentally click on, to make it stand out and be identified as something they might want to think twice about before double clicking on. So up here I have a reboot script. And if I right click on it and go to properties, and this is just a shortcut that I've made on the desktop to a reboot script. Now, if I click on change icon, you'll see that it comes up with a warning screen here that says that it doesn't contain any icons. So we'll just click on OK. And by default, you can see it is going to the system root system32 folder, and it is using the shell32.dll file that actually contains all of these different icons in it. So if we scroll over here to the right, I'm going to go ahead and select this caution yellow triangle here and hit OK. And then OK again. And as you can see, it now stands out from the standard default icon for a batch file. Now I'm going to move it off to the side and tell the user to think twice before just randomly double clicking on it. I hope that you found this Tech Tuesday tip helpful today, and I'll catch you in the next one.